In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check plagiarism with Grammarly step by step, so you can quickly review your content for copy text and AI-like writing patterns before you publish or submit anything. This is a super useful tool for students, writers, bloggers, and content creators who want to make sure their work is original, polished, and ready to go. And if you want more easy software tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any existing document in Google Docs or in any other online text editor where you've already written your content. This can be an essay, blog post, article, or any draft you want to review. The important thing here is that the text is already in the document because Grammarly needs something to scan before it can analyze plagiarism and AI text patterns. Once your document is open, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Grammarly text widget. This little widget is the quick access point that opens Grammarly's review tools. If you don't see it right away, make sure Grammarly is installed and active in your browser or document editor. After you click the widget, the Review Suggestions panel will open up on the side. This is where Grammarly shows you grammar issues, writing suggestions, clarity improvements, and also its plagiarism and AI text detection tools. At the bottom of the panel, click on the Check for Plagiarism and AI Text. This is the option you need if you want Grammarly to compare your writing against online sources and identify any text that may resemble AI-generated patterns. Now Grammarly will begin scanning the entire document. Depending on the length of your text, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish. During the scan, Grammarly checks your content against available online sources and also analyzes the writing style for AI-like signals. For longer documents, the process may take a little longer, but it's worth waiting for the full result. When the scan is complete, review the highlighted text that Grammarly shows you. You'll usually see sections that resemble AI text or passages that may match existing online content. Grammarly will also provide detected references with links, which makes it easier to verify where the matching content may have come from. This part is very important because it helps you understand whether the match is a real citation issue, a common phrase, or something that needs rewriting. At the bottom of the panel, Grammarly will also show you a percentage breakdown. This usually includes the percentage of your text that matches online sources and the percentage that has patterns resembling AI text. Take a close look at these numbers so you can judge how original your content is and decide whether any sections need editing. If the plagiarism percentage is higher than you expected, go back and revise the matching sections by rewriting them in your own words. If Grammarly flags AI-like text, you may want to make the language more natural, more specific, and more unique to your voice. The goal is not just to pass a check, but to create writing that feels authentic and clearly yours, and that's how you check plagiarism with Grammarly. It's fast, simple, and very helpful for making sure your writing is original before you share it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.